Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you will be getting visuals of me working in my craft room. Today I will be utilizing my Cricut mug press as well as 12-ounce Cricut mugs. I'm also using images printed off of my Epson EcoTank printer. This printer is converted over into a sublimation printer. I believe I have another video about that on my page. I'll add that to the cards if you'd like to see how I converted my Epson EcoTank printer into a sublimation printer. Anyways, now that we've got that out of the way, let's discuss today's topic. Today's topic is making the decision to take the leap. I'm considering this registration. So it's been about a week or so since I've been grappling with the decision of whether or not to register as a vendor at a pop-up shop. My friend called me and told me about an upcoming event where she will be vending and suggested I do the same. I am aware of all of benefits, such as networking and introducing your business to potential customers. But if I'm being honest, I'm feeling a bit apprehensive since I've never attended an event like this before. Despite my nerves, I know that taking part in this event will be a valuable learning experience and help me grow in so many ways. I feel like I haven't always viewed my business as a business, so going to this event can help me with my confidence in growing my business. It can also encourage me to do more things like this in the future, which can benefit my business in so many ways. So after going back and forth trying to figure out if I wanted to do it, well, let me not even say if I wanted to do it, because I always knew I wanted to do it. I just was a little nervous. And I guess that's where all of the apprehension came from. There's so many what ifs, like what if I go and I don't do this? What if I go and this happens? What if this? What if that? And I'm always telling my daughter, like, stop thinking about the negative, because there's so much more positive going on. If you only look at the negative, then that's what the outcome would be. So I'm taking my own advice today. So I did it. I submitted my registration paperwork, and I am very, very, very excited to announce that I will be attending my first pop-up shop in December of 2023. Now, if you check the date, it's in mid-November. So I got a lot of work to do, and I feel like I'm up for the task. It's what I want to do, so I'm going to work very hard at getting things together, organized in a way that I see fit. I'm not going to get too overwhelmed about it. Okay, maybe I will, but I am going to work very hard to promote myself and put myself out there in the best light that I can. So if you have ever attended any vendor events or fairs, let's chat in the comments. There's so many ideas I have and so many things I want to do, but I know you only get a certain size table and so on and so forth. So I'm prepping and I'm planning, and in this video you can see that I am making a couple different Christmas mugs to bring to this event with me. I have so many more projects that I will be completing to bring to the event with me. Now, if you stick around and you come back next week to watch my next video, you will see more of a sneak peek into the products that will be available. Come. thank you for joining me on my craft journey so far. Stay tuned for weekly videos where I'll be documenting my progress, including the challenges, successes, frustrations, and joys of turning my hobby into a business. Thanks for watching.